Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do a pour on an 8x10 canvas over something I found at Dollar Tree. I have it hidden so you couldn't see it accidentally before I was ready for the reveal. We are going to pour over this cute little baby teether toy. Now, just in case anyone feels like they need to leave me a comment, this will never, ever, 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 ever go anywhere near a baby, let alone be given to a baby to teeth on. I will pour over it. I will never, ever give it to a baby. I promise. Okay, so no need to leave me nasty remarks about how dangerous it would be if I painted on it and then gave it to a baby. I won't do that. You have my word. However, I thought that both the circle itself and the design of the what would you call them? The round bits in the circle might make an interesting pattern. So there we are. We're going to pour over this. And to pour over it, we need 5 ounces for our 8x10 canvas. This is a 10-ounce silicone cup or bowl. Links to everything below. And I'm going to use Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint today. We have black, old gold, violet, bright yellow, turquoise, and bright red. So I'm a little out of my comfort zone here, but that's okay. So, in no particular order, let's layer a cup. Are we ready? Let's see what happens. Pouring over a teething ring. All right, we are now starting to lose some paint over here, so I think I will carefully pick this up. Hopefully not disturb things too much. Get that out of the way. And now we tilt. I'm losing all the really, really cool outlier stuff, which is a shame. interesting. I don't dislike it. Not sure I'm in love with it either. I'm not crazy about this area in here. I wonder if I can stretch that out without losing too many other things. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm not sure that's better. I would have lost this. Well, that was interesting, I must say. All right, let's go in for our close-up. Here's the lower right corner, the right side to the upper right corner, across the top. I'm loving all this. Upper left corner. Not sure what I did there is any sort of improvement, honestly. Down the left side to the lower left corner and across the bottom. And there's the whole thing. I think it's cool. I don't know what I was expecting exactly. I wish I'd been able to hang on to more of that, the pattern that the edges made on the outside, but that didn't quite work out. I may try it again and do something different next time. Not sure. If you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments section. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.